Tonight, we're hearing a new tale from the horrific assassinations that rocked Kaufman County. It's hard to believe it's been 4 years since a corrupt former official gunned down 2 prosecutors and one of their wives. That killer, Ehren Wiley, now sits on death row. During his trial, we learned that he had a hit list, and among those on it, the current Kaufman County DA. She talked to our Tanya Iser about what it was like finding out there's a target on your back.
It's a routine night at the Wiley house.
Is that yesterday?
Yes, that's yesterday.
But 4 years ago, Ehren Wiley was a judge under armed guard. Prosecutor Mark Hasse had been killed as he walked to the county courthouse. His boss, Kaufman County District Attorney Mike McClelland, and his wife, Cynthia, gunned down at their home.
So that was an incredibly stressful time because I really did believe that she was in danger.
Ehren Wiley was convinced from the start disgraced former Justice of the Peace Eric Williams was the killer. He thought his wife may be next.
It was a lesson learned that you don't know who might be the one that's coming after you.
Ehren Wiley is now district attorney, appointed days after McClelland's death. Only after Williams' arrest did she learn that his wife, Kim, told investigators he planned to kill her and a retired judge.
I think Eric thought he was beyond the law and that he was smarter than everybody.
She's written a book about that time in her life.
And he planned to kill me because I had the audacity to question him. In his warped mind, I was the beginning of his end.
Wiley had gotten crosswise with Williams years ago, finding he overbilled the county hundreds of thousands of dollars. He'd gone on his killing spree after Hasse and McClelland prosecuted him for stealing county equipment.
Nothing like that will probably ever happen to me again in life. What it is like for somebody to want to kill you, what that's like for your family, what that's like for my kids.
Back then, their 2 kids, now in college, were still at home.
And you realize how much grace there was because there were really so many opportunities where bad things could happen.
Who I feel sorry for is Mark Hasse. Mark Hasse's mother, a mature woman in her 80s, that her son was killed in the street for doing his job. How about Mike and Cynthia?
She was the last person to testify at his trial in 2014.
A killer came to Kaufman County and hunted people that he thought wronged him.
That killer is now on death row.
He is gone now, but my county and I survived.
Tanya Iser.
It's true.
Channel 8 News.
As Tanya mentioned, Ehren Williams is on death row, but he is still appealing his conviction. His wife, Kim, was with him for the murders. She's serving 40 years in prison.